Hi everyone, welcome to Data Legos. I'm Naveen Kumar Gunapanini, and here you'll find deployment concepts explained in the simplest way possible. Today we are going to learn about environments and verification. My goal is to make every topic easy to understand, so you feel confident applying it in the real world. Let's get started. Here's what we'll be covering in this module. First, we'll dive into the types of environments: local, dev, QA or staging, and production. We'll see why each one exists and why separation really matters. Next, we'll move into verifying the deployed app, checking if the UI is live, APIs are healthy, and the database is connected. Finally, we'll touch on observability basics, logs, metrics, and alerts that help us detect issues early before they reach the users. Alright, let's start with the first one: types of environments. Software doesn't just jump straight from a developer's laptop to millions of users. Instead, it passes through different environments, each one acting like a safety net to ensure quality before the software reaches production. Local environment. The first environment is local, which is the developer's own machine. This is where code is written and tested individually. It's fast but limited. You've probably heard the phrase, "it works on my machine," and that's exactly the problem here. For example, running the app on your laptop using npm start or python manage.py run server. It works, but only for you. Development, dev, environment. Next, we have the development environment. This is a shared space where multiple developers push and integrate their code together. For example, a new login feature and a payment feature may be developed separately, but here they are tested side by side to see if they work together. This step helps catch integration issues early. QA/staging environment. Then comes QA or staging, also called the pre-production environment. This environment is almost a mirror copy of production, but it's only used by the QA team for testing. Imagine a staging version of the Uber app. The QA team can book rides, test payments, and verify flows, but real users don't see this version. It's the closest rehearsal before going live. Production environment. Finally, we have production. This is the live system that real users interact with. Because it's customer-facing, it must always be stable, secure, and carefully monitored. In short, local is the playground, dev is the team practice, staging is the final rehearsal, and production is the Olympic match. Why separation matters? Why do we need all these layers? If we test directly in production, users could face bugs, downtime, or even data loss. By separating environments, we add layers of safety. It ensures that by the time the software reaches end users, it's reliable and tested. Thanks for watching. This was just one step in mastering deployments. Rock it! Let's catch up in the next module, where we'll go even deeper and unlock more pro-level concepts. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to Data Legos for smarter, simpler tech learning.